Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're looking at the top 10 best drones available on AliExpress in 2025. From professional aerial photography drones to compact foldable options, these models offer the best mix of power, features, and value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's take a closer look at what makes each of them stand out. Number 1. L600 PRO MAX Drone. The L600 PRO MAX is equipped with an 8K professional HD camera and a 3-axis gimbal for stable, high-quality video. It supports 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission and has obstacle avoidance sensors. Powered by brushless motors, it delivers smooth, quiet, and efficient flight performance. The drone also comes with a large-screen remote controller for real-time viewing. The L600 PRO MAX is designed for creators who need excellent aerial footage. The 8K camera captures clear and vibrant shots, while the gimbal provides great stabilization even in windy conditions. Flight control is responsive and the obstacle avoidance system works reliably in tight spaces. It's a solid all-around drone for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Pros: 8K HD camera with 3-axis gimbal, stable flight with brushless motors, 5G FPV real-time video, reliable obstacle avoidance. Cons: larger design, less portable. Charging time is moderate. If you're looking for a professional-grade drone with premium stability and performance, the L600 PRO MAX is one of the best choices for 2025. Number 2. Professional S159 GPS Drone. The S159 GPS drone features an 8K dual camera setup, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. It comes with a built-in screen on the controller for live viewing, and its brushless motors ensure powerful and efficient flight performance. The foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. This drone delivers outstanding flight precision and camera clarity. The dual camera setup provides multiple viewing angles, while GPS positioning ensures accurate flight control and return-to-home reliability. It's a great mix of convenience and professional functionality. Pros: 8K dual camera setup, built-in display controller, GPS and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, foldable and portable design. Cons: flight range could be longer. Battery takes time to recharge. If you're looking for a premium features at an affordable price, the S159 GPS drone is perfect for travelers and hobbyist videographers. Number 3. K19 MAX Drone 2025. The K19 MAX comes with a high-definition camera, GPS positioning, and a controller with an integrated display screen. It features a brushless motor system and supports real-time image transmission. This drone also includes an airdrop function and automatic return features for safer operation. The K19 MAX performs impressively for aerial photography and general flight. Its GPS return system is very accurate, and the added screen makes it easy to view footage live. The brushless motors provide stable flight even at higher altitudes. Overall, it's reliable and well-balanced for both beginners and intermediate pilots. Pros: accurate GPS return system, integrated controller screen, strong and quiet brushless motors, great stability and flight time. Cons: average camera stabilization, slightly heavy build. If you want a drone with solid build quality, easy control, and good value, the K19 MAX is a dependable choice for 2025. Number 4. V868 MAX GPS Drone. The V868 MAX is a professional-grade GPS drone featuring an 8K dual camera system with 5G connectivity. It offers omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and advanced GPS tracking for stable flight. The drone is built with a durable frame and provides excellent flight balance for aerial videography. This drone is ideal for those who prioritize camera quality and intelligent flight features. The 8K resolution produces sharp images, and the obstacle avoidance system performs consistently in complex environments. Its GPS stability makes long-distance flying smooth and secure even in windy conditions. Pros: 8K camera with 5G video transmission, omnidirectional obstacle detection, GPS accuracy and stable flight, durable and professional design. Cons: bulkier than compact models, slightly expensive. For those serious about aerial photography, the V868 Max offers professional performance and cutting-edge flight features at a reasonable price. Number 5. SG109 PRO MAX Mini Drone. The SG109 PRO MAX is a compact GPS drone that features a 4K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and a foldable design. It comes with a 4.5-inch large screen remote control and multiple intelligent flight modes. Despite its small size, it's built with quality components for a smooth flying experience. This mini drone is perfect for beginners and travelers. The 4K camera captures crisp footage, and the large screen controller gives you a clear live view during flight. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, and the GPS ensures accurate control and automatic return. Pros: portable and lightweight, 4K HD camera with real-time view, built-in screen remote, GPS with stable hover. Cons: limited flight time, not ideal for heavy wind conditions. If you're looking for a small, portable drone that still offers great image quality and stable GPS flight, the SG109 PRO MAX is a smart and affordable option. Number 6. SG156 Drone Professional 4K HD Dual ESC Camera FPV Wi-Fi Drone. Starting off strong with the S156 Professional Drone, which brings you 4K HD Dual ESC cameras and smooth FPV video transmission. It's equipped with brushless motors and optical flow positioning, offering excellent flight stability even in windy conditions. You can control the drone effortlessly using Wi-Fi FPV mode for real-time visuals, and its dual camera setup allows for flexible shooting angles. The battery provides a decent flight time, making it great for both beginners and intermediate pilots. Pros: smooth flight, stable footage, dual cameras. Cons: average battery life for long-range flying. Number 7. D13 Drone 4K Professional with large screen controller. Next up, we have the D13 Drone, a feature-packed 4K professional drone with 3 HD cameras and a large built-in screen on the controller. No need for a smartphone connection. You can see your flight live directly on the controller. It's powered by 5G Wi-Fi FPV and brushless motors, ensuring minimal lag and powerful flight performance. The optical flow hover feature gives you smooth hovering stability, perfect for capturing cinematic aerial shots. Pros: large screen controller, strong signal range, triple camera setup. Cons: slightly heavier design for travel.
Number 8. Z103 Drone Professional 8K HD Dual Camera Brushless Quadcopter.
The Z080 Drone Professional 8K Ultra HD resolution and dual cameras for both wide-angle and downward shots. It features brushless motors for quiet and efficient flight, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a durable folding design for easy portability. With its improved GPS system, the drone can automatically return home with just one tap. Pros: 8K video quality, obstacle avoidance, and strong GPS stability. Cons: needs calibration before first use for best results.
Number 9. Xiaomi V198 GPS Max Drone 8K Professional.
Coming in next, the Xiaomi V198 GPS Max Drone is a serious performer for professionals. It features 8K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, and laser-based obstacle avoidance technology. The brushless motor ensures silent operation, while GPS positioning helps you maintain smooth and accurate flight paths. With a foldable frame and long control range, this drone is ideal for travel and outdoor photography. Pros: laser obstacle avoidance, 8K clarity, and long-range GPS control. Cons: slightly premium in price.
Number 10. Z908 PRO MAX GPS Drone 8K Dual Camera Brushless Foldable Quadcopter.
Finally, we have the Z080 MAX GPS drone with 8K dual cameras, optical flow positioning, and GPS-based obstacle avoidance. It has a 9,000-meter control distance, making it one of the most powerful in this lineup. The foldable design, stable flight performance, and extended battery life make it an excellent choice for aerial videographers and explorers who want professional-level shots. Pros: long control range, foldable design, and excellent camera setup. Cons: takes longer to fully charge. These are the top 10 best drones on AliExpress for 2025, from professional 8K drones to affordable beginner models. Whether you're into aerial photography, videography, or just love flying, one of these options will fit your needs perfectly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and gadget roundups.